Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's legal struggle has finally come to a conclusion, with the court ruling in Depp's favor and all abuse charges being proven to be absolutely unfounded. Depp was able to redeem himself. However, Amber Heard's efforts to convince the jury of her fabricated stories resulted in a terribly unsatisfactory trial. Her response was insane, and she informed the audience that she would pursue an appeal. So, let's see how Amber Heard reacted to the jury siding with Johnny Depp. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Amber Heard reacting to her insanity revealed in court. Yeah, you heard it right. Amber and Johnny met at a movie set and later started dating. Their relationship was glorified in the media as the couple made headlines. After dating for a few years, fans started speculating that the couple might be about to get married. In 2015, the couple had a beach wedding with friends and family that started a new chapter of their lives. However, Johnny never saw it coming that his marriage was going to be short-lived and cause havoc in his life. In 2016, Amber filed for divorce from Depp, and she wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post where she shared her experience with emotional and physical abuse. The article shocked the entire public as Amber Heard was at the peak of her career after playing the role of Mera in the 2018 blockbuster Aquaman. Everyone started to ask a lot of questions about the domestic abuse Heard faced in one of her relationships, but it wasn't long until people figured out that the article was about Johnny Depp. Amber Heard referred to herself as a widely known public figure who was a domestic abuse victim, and her fans were praising her for her bravery and strength. On the other hand, Depp began to receive huge public backlash from the world as major newspapers and media outlets started labeling him as a wife beater and domestic abuser. Johnny Depp has been a beloved Hollywood actor for the past few decades and is known for his hit roles, and one of his most iconic roles was of Captain Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. But the actor lost his role in the upcoming 6th movie in the franchise after the abuse allegations surfaced. This sort of controversy had a serious impact on Depp's reputation and career because he started losing all of his major roles and sponsorship deals. No one wanted to risk tanking their ratings by associating with an outed abuser like Depp. The actor lost millions in his movie deals with Warner Brothers and Disney and was boycotted by all media giants. When Depp and Heard's divorce was finalized in 2018, the actress received about $7 million in a settlement that she claimed to donate to a domestic abuse charity. Amber was enjoying the height of her career as she was receiving admiration and praise from all over the world, while Depp's entire career was on the line. Heard received a huge offer to play the role of Mera in the new Aquaman sequel with actor Jason Momoa. Johnny Depp had enough of all the accusations and backlash and finally decided to sue his ex-wife Amber Heard for defaming him and ruining his career. The defamation lawsuit was for $50 million, and Depp's legal team came totally prepared to dismiss all of the abuse allegations. The whole world anticipated this trial as it happened a few months back in Virginia and was broadcasted to the public. When the trial began, Depp testified on the stand and said that he had never hit Amber or anyone else for that matter. He further discussed all the details of his relationship with Amber and told the jury that it was actually her who had emotionally and physically abused him. The actor brought up many of the fights the couple had and backed up the arguments by presenting witnesses and evidence. Every time Amber Heard was brought to the stand and asked to testify in front of the jury, Depp's lawyers such as Camille Vasquez would dismiss all the claims she was making. Depp's team presented the building manager of their apartment in court, where he testified that he had witnessed a lot of fights between the couple. After one particular fight where Amber said that Depp hit her, the manager said that he was called to the apartment and saw broken glass and blood everywhere. It was later revealed that he found a severed fingertip belonging to Depp. The actor told the jury that Amber Heard had gotten into a fight with him where she hurled a vodka bottle at him that grazed and cut off his fingertip. There were many audio recordings of the couple's fights played in court where Amber admits to hitting Depp and continues to defend her manipulative and abusive behavior. Depp shared details in response to every claim Amber made in court, and it was proven that all of her stories were made up as she planned to destroy Depp's career and reputation. The actress broke down as she was on stand in the courtroom as Depp's lawyers cross-examined her and caught her lying continuously under oath. Amber Heard kept changing her stories, and the jury saw right through it that she was behaving in an unstable way. After the verdict was announced, Amber displayed signs of a narcissistic personality as she was unable to accept the court's decision. She reacted extremely and talked about fighting for the decision and filing for an appeal. It's highly unlikely that Amber Heard is going to be believed by anyone ever again, as all the evidence proved that she has lied multiple times. The actress got exposed in front of the entire public, but she continues to defend herself and believe in her own delusions and lies. Many people say that the only reason why Amber had a breakdown at the verdict hearing was that she couldn't stand to see Depp win and get his credibility back. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.